We've been spending time working on persuasive writing. If you recall, persuasive writing means that you are trying to convince or persuade someone to believe or do something that you want them to do, or believe in the same thing that you believe in. So we are working on a persuasive writing piece called The Abandoned House. You are going to open up this document. It is in Schoology and it is called Persuasive Writing, The Abandoned House, Schoology Reading. And you will read this prompt. Basically, you are going to tell whether you believe the neighborhood children should be permitted to play in this old abandoned house. On this slide, you're going to choose which one you would pick in your persuasive writing. The neighborhood children should be permitted to play, or the neighborhood children should not be permitted to play. On the third slide, you'll put whether they should go or not go, and 3 reasons why you believe that. These next 3 slides are all in relationship to the slide that you just filled out. You'll put your reason 1, which should match reason 1 right here, and then you're going to give me 3 details as to why you would be scared to go to an abandoned house. So my detail says that I don't like being scared, I'm afraid of things in the dark, and I do not want to see a creature that shouldn't be there. Reason 2 would be I don't want to get in trouble, which also matches reason 2 from this slide. And then I'm going to give 3 details as to why I do not want to get in trouble if I were to go to this abandoned house. So you will do that for the 3rd slide as well. And then you will go to paragraph 1 and use those details to create sentences to complete a paragraph.